And to be fair, yeah, I was actually thinking like my face might not give flashback, but my lace might give flashback. Because you know sometimes like you're putting foundation on your lace, but when you take flash, it's still giving different colour.
Why you gotta be so indecisive? Why you gotta be, yeah. I just wanna stop all the fighting. And you don't know what you want. And you don't know what you're fighting for. And baby, you're the one. The only one that I adore.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am filming a how to avoid flashback video. I don't know if that sentence makes sense, but we're just gonna go over it at this point because yeah. The first thing I'm going in today with is my primer, and I'm gonna use my Allure Mercier primer, the blurring primer. I'm gonna use quite a bit of this. I feel like whenever I use this, whenever I take like flash pictures or pictures with flash or back camera pictures, like my face just looks like literally flawless. Like, so I'm gonna go in with this today.
Spooky. Once upon a time, on October 31st, there was a ghost. Clearly, I have problems, but
Okay, so the first step into like actually getting no flashback, yeah, is like having a foundation that matches your skin to the T, like as in matches your foundation, matches your skin like on point. So like, because if it's already like, foundation is literally the first step. If that's already too light, we're just going down here from here, like honestly. So get you a foundation that's your shade, or even a shade that's darker, because it's, you're better safe than sorry, like honestly. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation that I literally use in every makeup tutorial, like, and it's actually finished. Like, look, I use it that much, it's finished. Like, I'm actually, it's done. Hopefully I can get some out. Should I really use this? What am I gonna use when I want to go out? I'm a ration it, okay. I'm actually gonna ration foundation. Like, this is embarrassing. I have a lot of foundation, but I still choose to use this one. Alright, so I'm not gonna use too much because I'm not gonna do all this makeup, and I really wanna be able to do my makeup. Alright, so first step, put a generous amount of foundation on, and literally you want to like blend in tapping motion, because if you do too much like dragging or like anything other than tapping, you might start to see like streaks of your foundation and like it not being blended out properly. So you want to tap it and like press it into the skin, because then it's like blending effortlessly into your skin. So like the worst thing is like doing your makeup, looking all nice and stuff like that, and you can't even take pictures because like it's given white. Like, I know you don't want that. Then you want to go with something that's more closer to your skin tone for your concealer, because if you do want to brighten your concealer, brighten your under eyes, and then go with something lighter, you have like a base kind of thing, so it's not too masky. So kind of just go in with something a bit more closer to your skin. I'm going to go in with this cream contour stick or foundation stick. I'm just going to contour my cheeks. I'm going to keep it quiet. And I'm going to blend out this first while I can let my concealer dry down. back in with your foundation brush to make sure it's all blended out, because you want everything to be seamless and smooth. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with my liquid blusher, my Blursh, my blush, in Madebymitchell. I'm going to put this definitely a bit higher than this. I don't know what to do. I'm not going to put too much anyway. I don't know why I did that like that, but yeah. And then I'm just going to blend this out. Like, we like looking red, that's why I'm going to put them. So I'm going to go with my beauty blender, which is should be damp. Make sure it's damp. Make sure it's like the right temperature. This is why I hate talking in videos, because I just feel like I'm just chatting crap, and it's just, yeah. Gonna do a little bit of reverse contouring. I don't know if you guys can even see that, but I'm gonna do a little bit of reverse contouring. It's looking a little crazy, but it's gonna get blended out. I don't know why I'm talking like a little bit like. Okay, so now that I've done my highlighter, I've blended it out and everything, now I'm going to go in and set it. So you want to like make sure everything is blended out to the best of your ability before you set anything, because setting something is like setting it in lock. Once you kind of set it, it's quite hard to change it. So you want to make sure like you don't have any creases in your skin, your makeup, your foundation is like flawlessly blended and there's no patches and stuff like that. And then you want to go in with your setting powder. I'm going to use my little Mercier setting powder in the shade Translucent Honey. I like to go in with my setting powder with my beauty sponge. So before I go in and set anything, I always go in and double check and see if I have any creases underneath my eyes before I then go in and set it. Pat it in. I would pat it in, and I pat it in very lightly. So I would rather build up than put too much at the start. And I'm going to do the same here. So I take off the excess and I look up and I tap it in and I press it directly into my skin. Like that. And when you press it into your skin, it really helps with like it melting into your skin, and that's kind of what you want when you get like flashback, especially because of powder. It's mainly because the powder hasn't gone into your skin yet, and it's like laid on the surface of your skin. You want it to like melt into your skin, so you want to like ensure you're pressing it, like literally pressing it in. So even if you have to go over it quite a few times, that's okay, because you want it to be like into it. You want it in your pores basically. You don't want clogged pores, but you know, you really want it in your skin. And I'm just going to set everywhere else that I put concealer. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows now, but I'm still very nervous because I never do my eyebrows at this stage, but kind of think I'm not gonna do too much to it. So that's kind of all I'm gonna do, nothing too much. I feel like if you do your eyebrows like this, it allows you not to use too much, but like not to draw on your eyebrows too harsh. I feel like I've literally just did my eyebrows in seconds, but also it does, like, it's kind of cheating, but if your eyebrows are like already done kind of thing, like you've got them freshly threaded, it's a lot easier because you don't have any hairs and you can see your hair shape like directly. So yeah. So how you can get, why can't I talk today? This video I've been struggling to speak English. I actually really like this one. It's very like natural finish. So I'm gonna go in and set the rest of my face. So this is very important as well, like having a face powder that's like exactly your skin shade. I'm gonna go in and use my bronzer so I can bring some colour back to my skin. So this also helps, like if your face is really washed out, like you don't want to look washed out on camera, especially with blush. So this will like bring the colour back to your skin. Now that's done, I'm going to go in with my blush. My hair looks a mess, please just excuse, I'll fix it at the end. So I'm going to put on a little bit of like bronzer on my eyelids just to bring warmth here so it doesn't look too bare and too light because of the concealer, just so it can give me back some colour on my eyelids, just like that. And then your skin is basically done. And then if you want to go back in with a powder brush just to press everything in, you can do that just to ensure everything looks good. So now I'm going to go with my Benefit setting spray, and I'm going to spray my face so it can, this is where you want to spray your face heavily. Like if it means it needs to look like it rained on you, let it be, because this is going to allow everything to set into your skin. So we've drenched lot on and spray my face, so now everything looks like, it doesn't look as powdery, it's given a bit more skin-like, a little bit, not too much. But I'm gonna put on my eyelashes and stuff, and I'm gonna come back and take some flash test pictures so I can prove to you guys that this is a flash friendly makeup routine. Oh, sure. Don't ruin anything. Stop it.
Alright, let me do some. Let me do some.
No.
Let's do some.
What is that?
Come.
Chill. Oh my god. Stop. Don't ruin my makeup. I'm not joking.
Alright,
Don't
cool.
do. Just.
Okay, let me do this.
No. What is that in your hand? What is it? Tell me then.
Use it for your eyelashes.
My eyebrows, not eyelashes.
Oh, come on. Alright.
Oh my god. What is this guy picking up? What's that
This
now?
was definitely for your eyelashes.
It's for my eyebrows.
How's this for your eyebrows as well?
This is for my eyebrows.
Alright.
It's an eyebrow gel. Okay, thank you. Bye now.
Alright, there's something I can do. Ready?
It's okay, thank you.
What do you mean?
It's enough.
Man, chill out.
My face
Relax.
is nice. Don't mess it up.
You
Stop
said
it.
it's nice, man. Look, I have to add the finishing touches.
No, it's okay. It's already finished. Okay, thank you. Wow, amazing.
Alright.
No, don't put glow me.
Obviously, man helped did my thing. Yeah, I better get the recognition in the comments.
Two comments. So guys, this is the finished look. So now it's time for the real stuff. Let's take a picture with flash. Okay, so put the flash on. You guys can see. Let's just take a little picture. Actually, I'm going to turn off all my lights. Sorry guys, it's going to look like a mess. 10, 2. Scary. Right. So I'll do that with no lights on. Got my flash on. And we're going to take a flash picture. Ooh. Purr. Don't play with her. Don't play. No, but like, this is straight from the camera though. Like, I'm gonna upload the pictures, but that is, wait, straight from the camera. Can you see? Do you see? As you can see from the evidence that I'm going to put up on the screen, I actually said evidence like I'm some sort of detective. I'll upload them to the screen so you guys can see them, but like, what is Flashback? Like, we don't do that around here. Like, no. Not around here. Hopefully you guys get something out of this video. Something. Alright, and to be fair, yeah, I was actually thinking like my face might not give flashback, but my lace might give flashback, because you know sometimes like you're putting foundation on your lace, but when you take flash it's still giving different colour, but actually in these pictures it didn't. So I'm just double check before it seems like I'm trying crap. Thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. I hope if you guys follow this step, you yourself and your mum and your aunties and your brothers and your sisters and whoever will get flashback also. So hopefully you guys learned something and this was actually a good video in your eyes. Now make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.